Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Surfshark VPN on iPhone with kill switch easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Surfshark VPN app from the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Surfshark VPN. Locate the Surfshark app in the search results and tap on it. Press the Get button to download and install the app. Once installed, tap on the Surfshark icon to open the app. If you already have a Surfshark account, tap Login. Enter your email and password, then tap Login again. If you do not have an account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to sign up. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. To enable the kill switch feature, navigate to the Settings menu. Tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the kill switch option. Toggle the kill switch on to activate it. This feature will automatically stop all internet traffic if the VPN connection drops. Next, select a server location by tapping on Locations. Choose a server from the list based on your preference. Once you select a server, tap Connect. After a few seconds, you will be connected to the VPN. You'll see a key icon in the status bar indicating a secure connection. To disconnect, simply tap the Disconnect button on the main dashboard. You can always return to the settings to adjust the kill switch or select a different server. Your Surfshark VPN is now set up successfully on your iPhone, complete with the kill switch enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.